What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back up at our Orange County yard. I have Rodrigo out in the parking lot on the back of the trailer right now. I'm about to start this loader up. I have the chain connected to the boom. I did have it running already, so don't worry, the machine is warmed up. I needed my keys in order to pull my truck out of there. It was parked kind of right in the swimming pool that we have in our yard there. The drain underneath it does not work, obviously. It is all clogged up, so every time it rains or we have snow melt off, we have a swimming pool in our yard here. But last night there was a pretty bad storm here, so that's why we have all of this water. Anyway, let's get the machine pulled over there. We'll get these 3 wing plows, the 1 power angle plow unloaded, and then we are heading down to our main shop. We have a couple more plows there that I need to load on the trailer and drag to our Dutchess yard. All right, guys, I got the machine parked. Everything is shut off. We're leaving it in the salt bin for now. I also put the other one. Seems like this bucket went down a little bit. Yesterday, I put that block under it just to keep all of the metal off of the salt. We don't really have much salt in here, but the entire entrance into the pile is completely covered. So our plan this year is to actually repave the front of this salt bin if we can clean it up, being that there's not much salt in here at all. It is the perfect time, but basically the only part that's touching salt right now is the rubber. That's no big deal at all. I got a block there. This is out in front of the bin, but we have plows all over the place here, so The reason I didn't put the 914 back in the garage is because we're gonna need it to organize this yard up a little bit in the future. So probably one day soon we'll be doing that. Obviously we still have this liquid tank we got to pour a slab for and get that back there, but anyway, let's hop in the truck and head on down to our main shop. All right guys, we're back down at our main shop. We have this one Fisher plow pulled out. We're just rinsing it off real quick. It was a bit dirty, so before we put it in storage, we're gonna get it clean. We also have this Western plow back here we need to grab out of here. Those two are heading up to our Dutchess yard, so once we're done cleaning that plow, we'll get it loaded on the trailer, grab this one, load it on there, and then we are hitting the road. Back up a little bit? You want me to back up a little bit? Like 8 inches. Tilt it forward a little bit. Actually, go down first. Tilt it forward. Drop it, back up, and then push it. That's okay. Leave it right there. Yeah, that's fine.